Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Send Last location in Find My Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Then go down and tap on Find My Mobile. Now go down and then tap on Allow this phone to be found in the Find My Mobile section. Now to use the Send Last location, make sure Allow this phone to be found is switch on. If it is switch off, then all the options below that will be disabled. So here I'm going to tap on Send Last location toggle button to switch it on, or you can simply switch it off. And that's it. So make your selection and then tap on the back key to go back to settings, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.